Hello, this is Joe from Etheric and Bastion, and I am mostly moved into my new place. The new Aether lab is sitting around us at this moment. You might see a little shelf behind me. That is not finished. I just threw some things up there because I didn't know where to put them. The actual lab is being created today, and I'm going to finish setting things up, and it's going to be awesome. But I thought before I open this box and put it out that I would show you what it looks like. It's actually a really fun little box here. So as you might know, at Etheric I have a 3D printer, and with that I can create ether, which normally you require a polyester or epoxy resin, and then it has to cure and then be programmed to become ether and to become this sort of subtle energy device that can be programmed. But 3D printing can also do it, even though the liquid to solid state is very fast. So it is tricky, and I cannot customize it as much as I could with resin ether, but it's still quite powerful. So I thought I'd show off all the 3D printed pieces that I've made so far. They're in this box. I have a few others somewhere, but most all of it's in here. So I thought I'd show you just the beauty of this. So let me take this phone here and show you. So check this out, this colorful little ocean of geometries and shapes. We got a bunch of fun stuff in here, and a few of these I will offer on my site. I especially like these guys. This organic pattern is called a Voronoi or something. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's Voronoi. So these are really fun. And occasionally, I don't know if I have it in here, I think I have it somewhere else, but I will attach these together. Oops. And with some glue, and it becomes a very powerful and balanced device, a really special thing. These each take about 8 hours to print, or is it 6? I know it's a long time, so to make 2 of them, it's a big deal. It takes a while, but I love it as a device. And of course, I have this little crown thing here, which is excellent. You can kind of put it on your head and just turn it a little bit, and it kind of catches into your hair. So it's a cool little crown. And you know what? I'm going to wear it right now. I haven't worn one in a while. I just got over a cold, so I've been, sick in any case. This is meant to be a little ring holder. And of course, I got to peel off the little bits of residue, which I'll do eventually. But this has a kind of a cool resonant antenna effect, which I really like. More of that Voronoi patterning. I really wish I knew how to say that right. I feel like I'm saying it wrong. And, we got a little red one here, which I really like. This guy's fragile, so I'm actually very surprised it survived the journey over here. But I used 2 different types of filament to make this. So the bottom part is, what's it called? I'm blanking on this. What is this stuff called? PLA. That's right. So it's PLA is the bottom stuff, and the top is ABS plastic, ABS. And it's coming apart because you're not supposed to mix 2 different types together. They need different heats and different whatever, and I didn't know. So it's breaking. Let's take that out because that's gonna fail on me soon. Wow, you're still intact? This actually was packed this way, so it didn't break in shipment. This one was also already broken. This kind of has a brass, or is it bronze? I think it's a bronze additive to the plastic. So it actually has some metal in here, so that was fun. But yeah, that's really it. It's just a bunch of different geometries. This is cool. This is the giant version of that other egg. And this thing took like 16 hours. It is thick. But the cool part about all this is there is an energy to it. It is still ether. And you can make pretty much any shape you can imagine with it. So I just want to give you guys a little quick peek, because when I first opened this box and I saw, all the crazy colorful stuff inside, I realized it would be kind of selfish to just put it all into my lab and not show you kind of the beauty of it all together. When I was packing it, I was just so impressed of how pretty it was. And ether itself is usually pretty. You know, with resin, you can make it any color. You can make it, you can add glitter or pigments or whatever. But the 3D printed stuff can also be quite beautiful. You know, we got these lovely shapes over here and these patterns that just, when it comes to subtle energy, it's so responsive. It loves these natural shapes, this Voronoi patterning especially. Like, it is a powerful little device. So in any case, I'm just sharing my spoils here like a little candy store. And I thought you would enjoy seeing it, all my 3D pieces. And eventually I'll talk more about these devices and what they can help you to achieve and how they complement standard ether and mixing it with, you know, metal components and whatnot. But yeah, just thought I'd show you this and show you some 3D printed ether all together.